Yeah. So concept వచ్చేసి pricing and so pricing వచ్చేసి very so it's a very important topic in SAP in SD model particularly. So basically ఏంటంటే so pricing అనేది కంపెనీలో వాడతారు. So we need to understand like how the pricing will be configured in SAP. So before before getting into pricing, like we need to understand so what are the pricing elements basically. Okay, so pricing elements ante okay, so pricing elements వచ్చేసి like we'll have price, discounts, freight, surcharges, and taxes. So these pricing elements will get changes. I mean, it will be based on the different conditions. So price may get changes based on the different conditions, like price based on the customer, based on the material, based on the region, based on the country. So based on different conditions, the price may get changes. The same way, discounts also. Okay, so it's the same way. 10 seconds. Hello. Sorry. So these are the pricing elements. So these pricing elements may get changes based on the different conditions. So price may get changes based on the country, based on the customer, based on the material, based on the different conditions. The same way, discounts also, freight also, surcharges also, taxes also, right? So taxes may get changes based on the country, based on the state, based on the region, based on the material, based on the customer. So system has to determine these pricing elements automatically based on the different conditions. Okay, it can be any pricing element. It can be price, discount, freight, surcharge, and taxes. Basically, in SAP, pricing will be determined based on the condition technique. So it's very important to remember. It will be determined based on the condition technique. Okay, so this condition technique. Okay, so it's a very important and it will be used in different areas in SAP SD module. So what do you mean by condition technique? So condition technique is a it will be used to select a better choice from various alternatives. For example, price. So we'll have different prices for the different conditions. Like for retailers, there will be different price. Okay. So for country based. Okay. So and let's say based on the region. Okay. So based on the end customers, there will be different customer conditions, right? So based on the different conditions, system will choose the better price or right price for the right person. So that is that will be configured the condition technique. Selecting a better choice from various choices. Okay, better whenever this condition gets satisfies. Okay, system will determine the right price for the right person. It can be right price, right discount, right surcharges, right taxes. So right price for the right person. Okay, how this will be configured in SAP, that will be discussing. So before getting into details of condition technique, first of all, we'll discuss one example. Okay, so example is, let's say we are having the example of Tata car, right? So let's say Safari. I'll give some examples, some conditions here. Let's say based on the sales organization, based on the distribution channel, based on the customer, based on the material. Okay, sales organization, distribution channel, customer, and material. Sales organization, distribution channel. Okay, for all the retailers, the material. I'm just writing some conditions here. That means in this sales organization called TG01, for the distribution channel. Okay, so T1 distribution channel. For the customer, some XYZ customer, for Safari material, that means this is customer specific material price. The price of the material is, let's say, 15 lakhs rupees. 15 lakhs rupees. Okay, so whenever the customer placing the order, if the order belongs to TG01 sales organization, distribution channel is T1, the customer is X customer, and the material is Safari material, the price will be 15 lakhs rupees. The second condition, what I'm writing is, in this sales organization called TG01, in this distribution channel called T1, for the all the retailers. So what do you mean by retailers? Retailers nothing but a group of customers with a similar, similar behavior, right? So the people, it's a group, a bunch of customers. Let's say we have 5 lakhs customers in our company, in which 25,000 customers are retailers. Okay, so 50,000 customers are, or 25,000 customers are retailers. So we cannot maintain the price for each and every retailer. We are grouping them as a, we'll group them as a customer group, as a retailer, and we'll maintain the separate price for all the retailer customers. For retailers, the price, okay, the price of the material will be, let's say, 1,45,000 rupees. So this is specific to one customer or two customers or less number of customers. Let's say they are very important customers for me. For them, the price will be 1,50,000 rupees or 15 lakh rupees always. For all the retailers, the price will be, let's say, 14,50,000 rupees. And there will be another condition also: sales organization, distribution channel, wholesalers, materials, the price of the material. That means for all the wholesalers, the price of the material is, okay. So this, in this sales organization, in this distribution channel, for all the wholesalers, the materials is, okay. So let's say 1,35,000 rupees. Or sorry, 13,50,000 rupees. That means in this, I have total 5 lakhs customers, in which 50,000 customers are or 25,000 customers are retailers. Let's say 5,000 customers are wholesalers. Okay, wholesalers are bulk buyers. You can say wholesalers are bulk buyers. You can say retail instead of bulk buyers also you can say bulk buyers. 1,000 customers or 5,000 customers are bulk buyers. For all the bulk buyers, the price of the material will be 1,35,000 or 13,50,000 rupees. For special customers, 15 lakhs rupees. For retailers, for 1 lakh, 14 lakh 50,000 rupees. And for bulk buyers, the price of the material will be 13 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Remaining all, let's say in our example, we have 5 lakhs customers. We'll have 5 lakhs customers. Okay, in which 25,000 customers are retailers. Okay, so and 5,000 customers are bulk buyers. So remaining will be, what will be the remaining? What is the total number of remaining customers? In total 5 lakhs customers, 25,000 will be retailers, bulk buyers will be 5,000, and remaining will be how much?
4,70,000.
4,70,000 rupees, right? Sorry, 4,70,000 customers will be, let's say, normal regular customer, end customers. You can say regular customers, or you can say end customers like us. Okay, so for that I'm maintaining the combination, like in the sales organization TG01, the distribution channel T1. Okay, so system will search for the first table, like this one I'll call it as a table. First one will be customer material combination. If it is not getting satisfied, it will come to the second table. If it is not getting if the customer is not a retailer, okay, then it will go for bulk buyers. So then if the customer is not falls into any of these categories, then obviously it will become as a normal customer. So here we'll maintain just a material. So that means, so system will consider by default for that customer as a normal customer, or end customer for them. So if he is buying Tata Safari, then the price of the material will be 17 lakhs 50,000 rupees or 17 lakhs, whatever. 17 lakhs rupees. Okay, so these are combinations. These are combinations which we need to maintain. So this is a combination which we need to maintain. Okay, which we need to understand here. Okay, which we need to maintain, which we need to understand here. Okay, just first table. Okay, so this will be, I'll call it as a table 1, table 2, table 2, table 3, table 4. So try to understand this table first of all. Okay, so first condition is, okay, each condition is nothing but a set of circumstances. Okay, in this sales organization, in this distribution channel, for this customer, for this material, okay, the price of the material is 15 lakhs rupees. In this sales organization, in this distribution channel, for the retailers, with this material, the price of the material will be 14 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Okay, in this sales organization, in this distribution channel, for all the bulk buyers, the material price is 13 lakhs 50,000 rupees. In this sales organization, in this distribution channel, for the material, okay, the material is 17 lakhs rupees. That means for all the remaining customers will be 17 lakhs rupees. Let's say, so X customer is a special customer, Y customer is a retailer, Z customer is bulk buyer. And let's say 1, 2, 3 customer. So these are like, normal customers. So whenever X customer is placing the order for the material called Safari from the sales organization T01 and T1, system will go for first table, system will check. Okay, sales organization is T01, yes. Distribution channel is T1, yes. The material customer is S, X. Okay, and he is placing the order for Safari material. Yes, this first combination is getting satisfied. So 15 lakhs rupees will be determined in the sales order. Right? The same way, okay, why customer is placing the order? Why customer is placing the order? For the material Safari. So obviously system will go for first combination. System will search for the first combination. Sales organization is TG01. Distribution channel is T1. Okay, customer is not equal to X because first combination is equal to X only. Okay, the customer Y is belongs to retailers, right? Then system, so first combination is not getting satisfied. So system will go to the second table. System will check for the sales organization, distribution channel. Yes, my Y customer is a retailer. Okay, then so we'll search for the material is placing the order for Safari. 1,45,000 rupees is placing the, like, it will be determined in the sales order, or 14,50,000 rupees will be determined in the sales order. So system like this system will search for the, like, right condition one by one in the condition technique. So that is the reason I was telling, like, so system, like, in the condition technique, so system will select the, like, right price for the right person. That is selecting a better choice from various alternatives that will be configured through condition technique. So now let's say any one of you tell me Z customer is placing the order for material Safari. Z customer is placing the order for material Safari. So what will be the price it will be taken? How the system will search for the price? How the system will search for the price? Any one of you tell me. Any one of you tell me. So Z customer is placing the order. How the system will search for the price? Yeah. Okay.
Using pricing procedure.
No, so that is fine. Like how the system will check for the which price will be determined here.
I think T3 because it falls
Exactly.
under the.
Okay, yeah, very good. So 1,35,000 rupees will be determined here. How? How the system will search for this 13,50,000?
Um, it,
Yeah,
it is looking into the condition where you have defined the customer into
Sales, it is the sales organization, distribution channel.
exactly. Yes.
You check all the conditions like
Yeah. So first system will search for the first condition table. Okay, this is a table one, right? T1. So sales organization, distribution channel, customer. So we have the first condition only specific to X, but our customer is Z. So this first condition is not getting satisfied. Then system will go for second condition table. Sales organization, distribution channel, retailer. So my Z customer is not a retailer. So system obviously it is not getting satisfied. So it will go for third table. Sales organization, distribution channel, bulk buyer. So my Z customer is bulk buyer. So he's placing the order for Safari. So all the combinations are getting satisfied here. So 1,35,000 rupees, so 13,50,000 rupees is determining into the sales document. All right. So now, so the fourth table. Okay, now fourth table. So we have generic customers, 1, 2, 3 customers, right? So we have 1, 2, 3 customers here. So let's say one customer is placing the order. Okay, one customer is placing the order. How the system will determine the price for the customer 1? Okay, customer number is 1. So one customer is placing the order for Safari. So which price will be coming to the sales order, or which price will be determined in the sales order? Which price will be determined?
1,70,000.
Yeah. So 1 lakh 70, that is 17 lakhs. Yeah. 17 lakhs rupees. So will be determined. How the system will search for the 17 lakhs? How the system will search for the 17 lakhs? So obviously it will go to the first condition, right? Right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So my customer is not a X. So first condition obviously it's not getting satisfied. Then it will go for table 2. Right? So table 2. So my customer is one customer is not a retailer. So second combination is not getting satisfied. So it will go for third table. Right? So my one customer is not equal to bulk buyer, is not a bulk buyer, only jet customer is bulk buyer, right? So now in fourth combination we are checking only sales organization, distribution channel, material. So respect of the customer, so whoever coming into this section T4 combination, we are checking only Safari material. So whoever customers, so apart from these 3 combinations, so whoever placing the order for them, we are placing the, or we are getting the, sorry, we are getting the price as 17 lakhs rupees for remaining all the customers, right? So this is how price will be determined in the sales order. But how to configure this in SAP? By using condition technique that we are going to see it in SAP. Okay, so now, so customer will be determined. Okay, the customer, customer will be determining the price, or whenever customer placing the order, how the pricing price will be determined automatically. So by using condition technique, so we'll see what step by step. The first step in the condition technique is creation of the condition table. Okay, so creation of the condition tables. Okay, creation of the condition tables. This is the first condition table, second condition table, third condition table, and fourth condition table. What do you mean by table? Table is nothing but a combination of fields. Okay, based on the combination of fields, we'll be creating the condition tables. Table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4. We'll be creating the table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4. So table 1 will be creating with the 4 combination, 4 field combination: sales organization, distribution channel, customer, and material. First we'll create the first combination table. So to create the condition table, I'll go to SPRO, IMG, sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, pricing control, define condition tables, create condition tables. Here we need to enter the condition table number. To create the table, right? We need to enter the table number. So table number always will enter above 500. Always we will enter about the we need to enter the table number above 500. Yeah, let me try find out. Yeah, so any number, if you want to enter, you can enter above 500. So if it is below 500, below 500 will have standard SAP tables. We cannot create the tables below 500. If you want to create any new condition table, you can enter the only above 500. Okay, so above 500 we can create any table, but which is not existing in the system. Let's say I'll enter some random number 651, 652. 652 already exists. We'll enter some other number. Let's say 750. Okay, so I'm creating the table number as 750. Okay, so I'll enter here also table 750. 750. So we need to select the combination sales organization, distribution channel, customer, material to create the condition table. Double click on the sales organization. distribution channel. So I'm selecting the sales organization, distribution channel, right? So here, let me show you once again. I'm creating the condition table called 750. I'm just entering some random number between 500 to 999, right? So always we'll use the numbers between 500 to 999. You can use any number, press enter. Here you can see the field catalog. From the field catalog, we can select the required fields and we can create the condition tables. Right hand side, you can see the field catalog, right? Using page up and page down button. Okay, page. So cursor will not work here. Or scroll bar or like bar will not work. You need to use the page up and page down button. Just select any field. So first of all, we need to select the sales organization, right? Select use your page down button. Okay, page down button from keyboard. Okay, here you can see the sales organization. It will be in alphabetical order. Sales organization. This is the first field I want to select. Sales organization. So distribution channel. Okay, so go up, go up. Okay, so select the double distribution channel. Okay, so now customer. Okay, so select the customer. Okay, select the customer. Then material. Okay, 4 combinations. So let me select, like, we have 2 customers here. Which one is to select? Basically, we should select the right one. One is wrong one. Okay, only description is displaying here. So let me select, let me check whether it is correct one or not. I'll check the technical name of this field. Okay, I'll select this customer and go to technical view. So Heiner. So this is wrong customer. Heiner. So we should have the technical name as a Kunar. KUNNR. So KUNNR is the correct name of the customer. So we have some wrong entry here, but don't worry. So just I'll try to delete here. So we'll select the other one. So first one is the right one. Double customer number. If you see the technical view of this customer, so we should have the Kunar name. KUNNR. We'll come to know about the technical names in future. But customer, the technical name is Kunar. So if you get confused, anything, right? So select this and go to technical view. So if it is the customer name is Kunar, technical name is Kunar, then that is the right one. So I'm selecting the sales organization, distribution channel, customer. Whatever the fields you select in the field catalog, it will be selected in the field from the field catalog. Left hand side, you can see those. Then last field, what we need to select here is material. So again, I'll use the page down button from keyboard. So here we have material, right? Sales organization, distribution channel, customer and material. Okay, so go to generate button. So we'll get some warning message. Don't worry about the warning message. So table 305 is having similar kind of fields. So SAP recommends always, if the similar combination is already existing, then use the table itself. Don't create the new tables if the table is already existing with the same fields. But here for practice purpose, I'm just creating it again. Nothing to worry on that. Press enter. So do you want to generate the condition table? Yes, I want to generate the condition table. So we need to enter the package to save this condition table, right? I'll be saving it in local object. So table number 750 has been created. Table number 750 has been created, right? So first combination, okay, sales organization, distribution channel, customer, material. Okay, this combination, the customer has been created. Okay, so next one is next combination we need to select with the sales organization, distribution channel, retailers and bulk buyers. So retailers and materials. Okay, so 751 table. I'm going to create the new table. Okay, the same way, go up. Sales organization, distribution channel. Distribution channel. Okay, so how do you find out, like, whether the customer is a retailer or bulk buyer? If you see in customer master data, if I go to customer master data, we are trying to understand like how can you differentiate whether he's a retailer or a bulk buyer. I'm just searching for the customer. So how do you know whether this customer is a retailer or bulk buyer? So if you go to sales area data, we have the customer groups here, price group and price list, right? The price group, okay, if I go to here, see if I assign 01 here, then this customer will become as a bulk buyer, right? Price list, in the price list, we have, so 02, if I assign 02, then the particular customer will become as a, particular customer will become as a retailer, right? So the same way we need to use the price list and price group in the condition table creation. Okay, first combination is retailer, right? So here we'll use the price list. Okay, so if I go to here, the sales organization in this distribution channel. Okay, so here we have the price list. So use the page up and page down button. I'm selecting the price list button. So we'll not have the retailers directly. So by using the price list, you can differentiate whether he is a retailer or bulk buyer or a wholesaler, whatever the like in customer group is belongs to, right? Then material. Okay, so here if I see an example, sales organization, distribution channel, retailers, and material. Okay, so material. I'll use the page down button again. Okay, so use the generate button. Send 50 has been created. Now I'm going to create the next table. 751 table is created. Next one is, so next I'm going to create with the third table. Okay, let me see whether 752 is available. So yes, it is available. So what is the combination we need to create? Sales organization, distribution channel, bulk buyer. So bulk buyer is nothing but a belongs to price group customer, right? So bulk price group and material. Okay, so I'm using sales organization. Sales organization, distribution channel. Then so we have price group, then material. Material. Right? So click on generate button. Yes. Save button. So 752 has been created. 752 table is created. Now last combination. So sales organization, distribution channel, material. Fourth table I'm going to create. Okay, so I'll just go back. I'm going to create the 753 table. So I'm going to create the sales organization, select the sales organization. You can create any Any combination, like I'm just taking an example. So here you can field catalog, right? It's a list of available fields. Okay, you can use any of these fields and you can create the condition tables. If you want to add any new fields also, you can add it by taking the ABAP help, technical team help. You can add our new fields also. If there's any specific fields which are available for your project, so those fields also can be added. So these are the list of maximum available fields. Okay, so I'm using this existing fields, I'm creating the condition tables. Yeah. So now the second field is we need to select, as per our example, distribution channel material. Okay, let me select the distribution channel. Distribution channel material. Okay, so click on generate button. So I'm saving it in local object. So 753 table has been created as of now. So we have created the condition tables. Okay, so 4 different conditions and we have 4 different condition tables, right? With these combinations, we have created the condition tables. This is the first step in the condition technique. Selecting the, so creation of the condition tables, okay, by selecting the fields from field catalog, by selecting the fields from field catalog. Right? So this is the first step. Second step is define access sequence. Yeah, any doubt? Someone asking anything? Right. So define access sequence and assign the condition tables. Okay, so define access sequence and assign the condition tables here. Okay, first step is like we just created the condition tables. Now we need to place these condition tables in the access sequence. So what do you mean by access sequence here is, access sequence is like we need to arrange the condition tables so that system will search for the particular condition whenever it gets satisfies. Okay, whenever it gets satisfied, that particular condition value will be considered into the sales document. Okay, so in which order we need to arrange these condition tables. That is very important here. So in the access sequence, it's a search strategy. Whenever system finds the correct condition, that value will be copied into the sales document, right? So, but in which order we need to place this order? Like we need to place these condition tables. ఏ ఆర్డర్లో మనం పెట్టాలి. సో ఇక్కడ 4 ఉన్నాయి. నేను ఫస్ట్ ఈ టేబుల్ పెట్టాలా, ఈ టేబుల్ పెట్టాలా, ఈ టేబుల్ పెట్టాలా, లేదంటే ఈ టేబుల్ పెట్టాలా. ఎందుకంటే సిస్టమ్ విల్ కమ్ వన్ బై వన్. సిస్టమ్ విల్ సర్చ్ ఫర్ ది ఫస్ట్ వన్. Okay, then it will go for second one. Let's say, so example like T4 టేబుల్ ఉంది మనకు. T4 టేబుల్లో ఫస్ట్ పెట్టానండి. T4 టేబుల్లో ఫస్ట్ పెట్టాను. తర్వాత T2 టేబుల్ ఉంది. ఓకే, T2 టేబుల్ ఉంది. T1 టేబుల్ ఉంది. సో T2 టేబుల్ ఉంది. సో T3 టేబుల్ ఉంది. T3 టేబుల్ ఉంది. Now, as per our example, ఎక్స్ కస్టమర్ సఫారీ మెటీరియల్ కు ఆర్డర్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడైతే ఎంత ప్రైస్ రావాలి? ఎక్స్ కస్టమర్ సఫారీ మెటీరియల్ కు ఆర్డర్ ప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నారు. అప్పుడు ఏ ప్రైస్ రావాలి మనకు?
15 lakhs.
15 lakhs rupees రావాలి. So now in our example now, so my first condition table is T4 condition table. Let's say X customer is placing the order for safari material. So obviously ఏం చేస్తుంది, system will search for the T4 condition table. As per this order, we arrange these tables in this matter. Like ఈ వేలో మనం అరేంజ్ చేసాం అనమాట. సో T4 టేబుల్ ఫస్ట్ ఉంది, తర్వాత T1 ఉంది, T2 ఉంది, T3. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, మనం ఆర్డర్ ప్లేస్ చేసేది ఎక్స్ కస్టమర్ కు సఫారీ మెటీరియల్ చేస్తుంది. సో సిస్టమ్ విల్ గో ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ కాంబినేషన్. ఈ కాంబినేషన్లు ఏమున్నాయి? సేల్స్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఎస్, TG01, T1 ఎస్, మెటీరియల్ సఫారీ ఎస్. సో ఫర్ దిస్ 17 lakhs rupees will be determined automatically instead of 15 lakhs because first condition itself getting satisfied, which is not correct, right? అర్థమైందండి? ఫస్ట్ కాంబినేషనే సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. మనం ఈ ఈ ఈ వేలో మనం కండిషన్ టేబుల్స్ మనం అరేంజ్ చేసామనుకోండి. T4 ఫస్ట్ పెట్టామనుకోండి. సో, ఫస్ట్ కాంబినేషనే ఇది సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుంది. సో, 17 lakhs rupees which is determined for the particular customer, which is not correct. So, that is the reason access sequence అనేది వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అన్నమాట. We need to arrange the condition tables in logical order. That is like so లాజికల్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే సిస్టమ్ కరెక్ట్ కాంబినేషన్ డిటర్మైన్ చేయాలి. Okay, so in the same way we need to arrange the condition tables. So there is a thumb rule here. So we need to arrange the condition tables in the access sequence from most specific to most generic. Most specific combination to most generic combination. So just remember that always customer material combination is most specific combination. Most specific combination. Then customer ఫస్ట్ మనం ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వాల్సింది కస్టమర్ మెటీరియల్ కాంబినేషన్ టేబుల్స్ కు ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ లో పెట్టాలి. దెన్ కస్టమర్ ఒకడు ఉండేది వాటికి సెకండ్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. లాస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చి మెటీరియల్ కాంబినేషన్, ఓన్లీ మెటీరియల్ ఉండేటివి. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి లాస్ట్ వన్. ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ లాస్ట్ వన్. Customer material combination should be in first place and material combination should be in second, last place. If you maintain this, if you consider this or maintaining these things, okay, then your combinations are your like always system will determine the right conditions to the customers in the sales order. Okay, from most specific to most generic. We need to arrange the condition tables from most specific. So customer material combination అది most specific. మోస్ట్ జనరిక్ వచ్చేసి మెటీరియల్, ఓన్లీ మెటీరియల్ ఉంటే మాత్రం నాకు మోస్ట్ జనరిక్ కాంబినేషన్. మధ్యలో మనం ఎట్లయినా అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. మధ్యలో డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దట్. ఫస్ట్ షుడ్ బి కస్టమర్ మెటీరియల్ కాంబినేషన్స్. ఫస్ట్ కస్టమర్ మెటీరియల్ కాంబినేషన్స్ షుడ్ బి ఫస్ట్ ప్రిఫరెన్స్. ఓకే, దెన్ మెటీరియల్ కాంబినేషన్, ఓన్లీ మెటీరియల్ కాంబినేషన్ should be in last place. If you can arrange these condition tables, okay, in this way, then like system will determine the right price for the right person automatically, always. Okay, so now tell me, as per our example, like what is the order we need to maintain these condition tables in the access sequence? Which order we need to maintain? So first ఏది పెట్టాలి ఇప్పుడు? As per this thumb rule, always customer material combination will be most specific combination, material combination will be generic combination should be in last place. Based on this thumb rule, like how do you follow? In which order we need to place these condition tables? Guess చేయండి. సో కస్టమర్ మెటీరియల్ కాంబినేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఏ టేబుల్ ఉంది? కస్టమర్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ కదా, వెరీ గుడ్ అండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్ విల్ బి T1. లాస్ట్ వన్ ఏముండాలి?
T4.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అండి. సో రిమైనింగ్ మనం T3 అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, T2 అయినా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. దట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్, లైక్ సో T2 and T3. సో యూ కెన్ ఎంటర్ T3 ఆల్సో హియర్, లైక్ ఇట్ డజంట్ హర్ట్ us. T1, T2 to T3. Okay, we need to place this order in this combination, in this order. We need to place the condition tables in the access sequence in this order from most specific to most generic. Customer material combination is the most specific and material combination should be in last place always. It's a B because it is a generic price. So generic to all other customers, it should be always in last place. So only for this customer, if any buy this material, this is the most customer, like most specific customer material specific. So that is the reason I want to put it in like always in first place. First, most specific to most generic, right? So now I'll go back from here. Creation condition tables is already done. Okay, I want to tell you the transaction code also. I think the transaction code is V/03. Let me see here. V/03. Yeah. Creation of the condition table. The transaction code is V/03. V/03. Okay. So now I'll go back to next step. The same path, SPRO, IMG, sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing control, define an access sequence, maintain access sequences. Okay, so go to new entries. Okay, so access sequences, you can enter any 4-digit alphanumeric. Let's say I'm entering 301 only. I'm just defining the access sequence here. 601. Okay, so here we're going to assign the condition tables. Select the access sequence, go to accesses. Here we need to assign the condition tables here. So go to new entries. Okay, enter 10 serial number, just a number 10. Why I'm entering 10? Because in future, if you want to add any condition tables in between, you can add it. So that is the reason I'm just entering 10 directly. So next table will be 20, 30, 40 like that. So what is the table number? Which table number? So 750 should be in first place because it is a customer specific material combination. Okay, so it's most specific combination 750. So 20 table is 751. I think 751 only, right? So yeah, 752. Whatever the middle లో ఉన్నవి సో మనం ఎలాగైనా అరేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కావాలంటే మనకు ఇట్ డజంట్ హర్ట్. 752 752 30 వచ్చేసి 751 40 వచ్చేసి లైక్ ఇట్స్ మోస్ట్ జనరిక్ కాంబినేషన్ రైట్. సో యూ కెన్ ఎంటర్ 753. ఈ నంబర్స్ మన టేబుల్స్ అనేవి ర్యాండమ్ గా ఎక్కడ ఏ టేబుల్ నెంబర్ అయితే క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో వీ కెన్ క్రియేట్ ఇఫ్ ది పర్టికులర్ టేబుల్ ఇస్ ఆల్రెడీ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ లైక్ సో ఇఫ్ మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటే మాత్రం సో మళ్ళీ కొత్త నెంబర్ తీసుకోవాలి, కానీ ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటే సో కొత్త నెంబర్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని లేదంటే మీ ఓన్ క్రియేట్ నెంబర్ తీసుకోవచ్చు అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ అరేంజింగ్ ది కండిషన్ టేబుల్స్ ఇన్ లాజికల్ ఆర్డర్ ఫ్రమ్ మోస్ట్ స్పెసిఫిక్ టు మోస్ట్ జనరిక్. ఓకే, సో if press enter, it will ask you many pop-ups, don't worry. So it is system is validating the data from the table level. Each table level, see here, customer material, price group, price list, and last analysis material. Here we have very important functionality, exclusive indicator. Exclusive indicator. If I activate the exclusive indicator, so whenever system finds the correct condition record or condition value, it will come out of the loop. So for example, so very important interview purpose, what is the importance of exclusive indicator in the access sequence ante the answer, same answer you should give to them. So basically ఏంటంటే so access sequence in the access sequence exclusive indicator, whenever system finds the correct condition value, then system will stop searching further, it will not go further. For example, X customer is placing the order for Safari material. System will search for the first combination. System will search for the first combination. The first combination itself is getting satisfied, right? So it will come out of the loop. It will not go for second, third, and fourth one. So 15 lakhs rupees, okay, is placing the order. So 15 lakhs rupees will be determined in the order because it will not go for remaining prices. Whenever the customer condition gets satisfied, system will come out of the loop, right? So 15 lakhs rupees is the price, sales price for the particular customer. Correct? Now, okay, so let's say Z customer is placing the order, bulk buyers, right? So bulk buyers, it will be there in the price group. System will search for the first combination, so it is not getting satisfied. Then price customer is having the like in bulk buyers. So first condition is getting satisfied, so the price will be determined in the sales order. That is the importance of exclusive indicator. So whenever it gets satisfied, that it will stop search further. System will not consider the remaining tables. Whenever it's satisfied, that will stop searching further, right? So that is a very important thing you need to remember. Once we activate the exclusive indicator, select, we need to activate the each and every table in the access sequence. Select the first table, click on the fields, it will show some pop-ups, don't worry, just keep pressing enter till it get activates. First table is activated, it came to second table automatically, keep pressing enter. Fourth one, see, all the tables are activated now. Okay, so we need to activate second one also. Select the second table, click on fields button. Same way third table. Fourth one. Yeah, so everything is got it. So we activated the exclusive indicator, then save it. right? So this is the way access sequence can be created. I'm just coming out of this, and transaction code for this is, I think, v slash 07. Let me check. V slash 07, I think, yeah. Yeah, v slash 07. So this is the second step. Okay, we have defined the access sequence and assigned the condition tables. Third step is define condition type and assign the access sequence. Assign the access sequence. Okay, so here, so we have defined the access sequence. Now we need to create the condition type also. Okay, so what are the different condition types we have created? We have used till now. We have used the PR00 for price, KW04 for discounts, KW05 for discount, KW07. Okay, then we have VPRS for cost we have seen, and like we have MWST for tax. So these are the different kinds of condition types we know, like when you are practicing, right? So now we are going to create our own pricing condition type by taking the PR00 as a reference, and I'll create my own condition type, and that will be used in sales order. Okay, so pricing. So now the third step is define the condition type and assign the access sequence. So we'll copy the PR00 because I'm going to handle the pricing here. So I'll go to v slash 06 transaction code, or we can go to SPRO, IMG, sales and distribution, basic functions, pricing, pricing control. So define condition types. So here my 20 condition types. So what I'll do is I'll take the PR00. Basically, condition type represents the pricing element. So select it and click on copy button. Create your own condition type TG01. Change the description and assign your own access sequence here. TG01 is my own access sequence. Right? So we have defined and created our own condition type. Just copying the existing standard one. Okay. So this is the fourth step. So define condition type and assign the access sequence. So next, fourth one is define the pricing procedure. Okay. So and assign the condition types. So fourth step. Okay. So define and assign the pricing procedure. And v slash 0 is the transaction code for this. V slash. This is v slash 06. V slash 07. Condition type v slash 06. And this one is v slash 08. Okay, so here I'm going to select the standard pricing procedure RVAA01. RVAA01 is standard pricing procedure. By using this, we'll copy our own price. Select on this and click on copy button. Okay, rename it. TG01 A, let's say 80. I'm just giving 5-digit alphanumeric, 6-digit alphanumeric. So standard pricing procedure. Okay, standard pricing procedure. You can say TG01 company. So it will copy all the existing condition types. Keep pressing enter before it get copies, right? So TG0180, go to control data. Here we can see the pricing condition type, right? So PR00 instead of PR00, we'll enter our own condition type. T01 is our own condition type. Press enter and save it. So remaining, if you want, unnecessary condition types can be deleted, but so don't delete, because if you delete some standard pricing procedure, it will become problem, right? So if you are very careful, if you want to delete from the pricing procedure which you have created, then that should be fine for us. Right? So there are so many settings which we'll be discussing in further sessions, but as of now, just define the pricing procedure, and assign the condition type. That's what we did now. Okay, so next one is okay. So customer pricing procedure anyway we have in customer master data. Document pricing procedure anyway we have assigned to the so document types, that is not required as of now. So assign document pricing procedure to assign order type, that is also there. Now very important thing is define pricing procedure determination, which is very, very important here. Okay, the fifth point is pricing procedure determination. Pricing procedure determination. So pricing procedure will be determined based on the combination of sales organization plus distribution channel plus division plus customer pricing procedure plus document pricing procedure. So these combinations or pricing procedure will be determined. Right. So here I'm going to new entries, or we'll select the existing one only. So OVKK is the transaction code for this. OVKK. So 1960, sorry, P01, T1, T1. Yeah. So if you see here, T01, T1, T1. So this combination, we are getting the old pricing procedure. Here you can see T01, 80 is the pricing, new pricing procedure. Right? That means whenever this combination are getting satisfied from the order, so this is the pricing procedure which will be determined. Then save it. Right? So this is how pricing procedure can be configured in SAP. So these are the steps we need to follow. Once we complete this pricing procedure determination in OVKK transaction code, so we'll test it. We have to test it. Okay, so test by creating the condition records in week 11. Condition records in week 11. So the same example, we can test it. Okay, so how to test it, like how to maintain the condition records, that we see it in tomorrow's session. Right, but before we are coming, just practice once again, so it will be initially, like if you don't understand, just try to listen video once or twice, then you can practice. Right, so it will be lengthy topic, but once you understand the concept, you will not forget it again. Right, so we'll catch up tomorrow then. So we'll complete the testing part in tomorrow. So we have completed the 5 steps, but remaining so we'll discuss in tomorrow session. Okay, any questions, let me know. So we'll discuss in offline. Right,
Thanks, Anil.
thank you.
Thanks, Sudhakar garu. Thanks,
Thank you.
Andy.
Yeah, thank you.